Hi there, this is a new video. Let's see these beautiful gadgets and hacks. This girl is using in her beautiful apartment. This is a sponge you can use for cleaning your furniture. It's really cool. It makes cleaning your stuff easier and fast. She's sweeping the floor using this folding dustpan and this broom. This is a product you can use for cleaning your toilet. She's gonna prepare something using this blender. We've got this electric pot you can use for food. This is a cooker. We've got these cutting boards. She's preparing something. This is a folding trash pan. We've got this clipper. We've got this small folding mop you can use for cleaning all mirrors and windows. This is a small iron you can use for ironing your clothes. This is another tool you can use for cleaning your bed. This is another folding mop. It's a small one you can use for windows and mirrors. We've got this machine. This is another small cleaner. You can use it for your stove. It makes cleaning easier and fast. It's really cool. We've got this one you can use for the corners and small corners. You cannot clean using other tools. She's still cleaning her gas stove using this machine. Cleaning the corners. This is your kitchen sink. This is a small folding washing machine you can use anywhere at home. It's really convenient. You can also dry your clothes using this amazing small washing machine. This is another one. We've got this rack you can use in your bathroom. This is a box you can use for your toilet paper. We've got this item you can use for your shower, and this is a small mop you can use for floor. It's a folding one. It helps you clean the corners easily and faster. We've got these doormats. They're really beautiful. We've got these plastic organizers you can use for organizing your stuff. You can use them for organizing metal tools. You can also use them for papers and wipes. All these products and gadgets, they are available on Temu, Amazon, Alibaba and AliExpress. So if you need any product, just visit these websites. So that's all we have in this video. See you in the next one. Bye.